Right, continuing my journey on the North Country Trail. Today I'll be going to the Douglas County Pine Barrens, otherwise known as the Bird Sanctuary. Let's get the miles rolling. Get the hiking poles, and we're off. Okay, you can see the pine grove there. That's why I started on East Prairie Lane. I haven't got much footage because I just wanted to get going and get warmed up a little bit, get some blood flowing. So I'm about a little over a mile in, I guess. That's Rover's Lake right there. And that stand of pine trees is where Rover's Lake campsite is. So we'll stop there next. So that was the Boy Scouts troop out of Rice Lake that just passed. Good to see the kids out enjoying the trail. Okay, so we're coming up on the top of the knoll here. And this is the Rover's Lake campsite. Take a little walk around. Nice view down the lake. Got the fire pit. Login book ammo box over there. And down there is a path to a latrine. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's actually spitting snow now. Crazy. So here's your water access. Got a board there, and a little rock structure to kneel on. Kind of nice. Woo! That wind is brutal. It's life in the Northland. Don't like the weather. Wait a few minutes. Literally, I'm about a half hour from Lake Superior, and I can watch the gauge in the car. The temperature just drop. And it's not uncommon at all to drop 30 degrees in a half hour. Yeah. Probably a skunk. You can see the charred earth, another controlled burn area. Kind of neat. You see the contrast on the trail. Usually the trail is a lot darker and everything else is green. So this here used to be the trail, and they had to reroute it because you can see the marker on the tree right there, and it ran right along this pond. But you can see the water is so high now that they moved the trail up to higher ground. You know, a few years ago we had a drought and there was nothing here. It was just completely dried up. Kind of cool seeing all this new growth popping out of these burn areas. Look at that, blue skies. Yeah, baby. Blueberries. This is the Bird Road trailhead here. Just off the trail this way. Installed a nice new sign here. About 2 more miles. I think I'll stop at Leo Creek there and do some lunch. Nothing big. Some Spam, some rice. I was hoping to have some fiddleheads. The fiddleheads were out, but they're not, so I was kind of banking on it too, because I was out just a few days ago and they're just ready to pop. But some of the ferns are, but not the ostrich.
4 miles completed.
Another nice little view here on the top of the hill. Perfectly placed bench to take a break. Be a nice place to catch the sunset too. Standing in the middle of a major intersection here. Yeah. We got the dog trail, the horse trail, and hiking trail. And of course, you can't leave out the ATV trail. This is the Wild Rivers Trail. Used to be a railroad grade. And back into the woods. So we've been in the town of Gordon for most of the day. Now we're entering Solon Springs. And up here is Leo Creek. And the town of Solon Springs used to be called White Birch. But then a guy came and started bottling spring water at the source of Leo Creek here, just a short distance away. And the business prospered so much that the town changed its name from White Birch to Solon Spring in honor of Thomas Solon. So a little bit of history for you there. Here we are, Leo Creek campsite. And I camped up there on Christmas night. I'll leave a card up in the corner here. You can click on at the end of this video. Check it out if you like. But I'm gonna come down to this site and cook up a little lunch. Got a piece of fat wood, so I'll make some shavings. Good and hot. Tell you what, that would have been really good with some fiddleheads. Pretty good. Cutting it thin like that Spam, gave it that nice crispiness around the edge. Tastes like bacon. This beer case I got for Christmas is nice. It's got a neoprene sleeve in it, and then the cap has a seal so you can seal your beer too. Just leaving Leo Creek campsite. Maybe the stretch between Leo Creek and Highway 53 is always nice. Like all these old white pines up in here. Warming up nicely. And now that I got about a half mile left. Nothing but blue skies. Just coming over this hill now. I can see the highway over there. And the trailhead right there. And here we are at the trailhead, Highway 53. I want to show you this sign they just put up. Alright, we'll end this trip here at 6.63 miles. We'll get that logged in. And on my next trip, next episode, I'll be heading through the trail town of Solon Springs. So, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you soon.